Alright, so this is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife bought in Bern, Switzerland, not Sweden. This is, I think, the version that has everything but the saws. So, the main parts has the plastic knife, very sharp. It has a small knife. It then has these things. After that, they have surprisingly effective scissors that are very sharp as well. Then has a section for screwdriver. Like that. Like that. After that, there are two can opener things. This one is sharp.
Why two?
This one's has also a flathead screwdriver on it. This is for most normal cans. This one it has a knife on the edge. You can actually open tins with it.
Oh.
Yeah, like a
Yes. Okay.
Alright, so those are the obvious ones. Then there's this thing, which is obviously a wine opener. However, inside of it...
Turn it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, because this is interesting.
Yeah, and inside of it is actually a very small screwdriver for eyeglasses that is hidden in this.
Or maybe computer stuff, right?
Or computer
hardware.
stuff. It's very tiny. It's a flathead. So there's the most obvious. Oh, there's also a secret little thing here and a very small edge. Which is a very, very small needle-like thing. You can use it as a nail or anything tiny. And then on the sides, there's tweezers. And then on this side, there's a toothpick. I wouldn't share that one. And then this, which I was very confused about what it was until my fingernails turned blue, and I realized this was actually a pen. Blue pen, which is really cool. So yeah.
But something is written. If you look at this
Here?
reddish, right? What?
Yeah, I said
what's
it's
written?
Victorinox. That's the name of the knife.
Where is made it?
What?
Where is it made it? In China?
No, Swiss-made stainless steel.
Very good. Thank you.
Very effective.
Yeah, cool.